My name is Dr. K. Srinivasulu from St. Peter's Engineering College. Today I start the common collector configuration. This is also one of the configuration of the transistor. Out of three configurations, this is the third configuration, the common collector configuration. What is the common collector configuration? Common collector. Collector is common for the input circuits and output circuits. That's what is called the common collector configuration. Okay. So here in this configuration, we use collector terminal as common for both input and output signals. This configuration is also known as emitter follower configuration because the emitter voltage follows the base voltage. That's what is called the emitter follower configuration because the emitter voltage is follows the base voltage. Okay, common collector configuration is also called the emitter follower configuration. These configurations are widely used in impedance matching applications because of their high input impedance. In this configuration, the input signal is applied between the base collector region and the output is taken from the emitter collector region. Okay. Here the input parameters are VBC and IB. VBC means base to collector voltage. IB means base current. And the output parameters are VEC and IE. VEC means emitter collector voltage and IE means emitter current. IE emitter current. So that is the input and output parameters. The common collector configuration has a high input impedance and low output impedance. Please to remember, the common collector configuration, it has a high input impedance and low output impedance. So this is the circuit diagram of the common collector configuration. This is the structure, this is circuit, model 1, this is the circuit diagram. So each transistor consisting of three terminals, emitter, base, collector. This side is input, that side is output. So in this diagram, so collector is common for the input and output circuits. That is the common collector configuration. Okay, in this circuit diagram, so VBB, base supply voltage. RS means source resistor and input resistor. IB means base current. VCB, so base collector between voltage, VCB. VBE, base emitter voltage, VBE. VCE, collector and emitter voltage, VCE. RL means load resistor. VCC means collector supply voltage, VCC. This is VCC, this is the VBB. So here IB means base current, IC means collector current, and IE means emitter current. Okay. Next, what are the input characteristics? The input characteristic common collector configuration are obtained between input currents IB and the input voltage VCB at constant output voltage VEC. For getting of the input characteristics, input current IB and input voltage VCB at constant output voltage VEC. So here VEC. So VEC. So this one VEC or VC. This is constant voltage in between. Okay, VEC constant and IB and VCB. IB this one. IB this value and VCB. These two values are vary the VCB and note down the IB current. For getting the ECB, for getting input characteristics, VC or VEC, whatever may be, this is constant. With help of the VCB, the current readings will take it. That's the input characteristics. Okay. Keep the output will be constant at different levels and vary the input voltage VBC for different points and record the IB values for each point. Now using these values, we need to draw a graph between the parameters of VBC and IB at constant VEC. So these are the input characteristics of the common collector configuration. So here, so VC, this is constant 2 volts. Put the VC value 2 volts constant. After that, VCB value will changes 1 volt to 2 volts, 3 volts, 4 volts. Linearly, you are increasing the input voltage. According to that voltage, you will know down the base current. That means 20 microamps. So mu A means microamperes. Okay. So next case, VCE put the 4 volts constant. Fix that voltage. After that, what will do? So VCB, the value will change linearly. 1 volt, 2 volts, 3 volts, 4 volts. According to that readings, you will know down the base current. These are the input characteristics of the common collector configuration. So output characteristics. The output characteristics of common collector circuit are obtained between the output voltage VEC and output current IE at constant input current IB. Okay. So VEC and output current IE at constant input current IB. So here, please see the diagram, circuit diagram. So in this one, for getting the output characteristics, so here IB is constant and VEC or VC and IE values are varied. So here IB is constant. After that, vary the value, varied collector to emitter voltage, 1 volt, 2 volts. According to that readings, we will know down the emitter current. Next, IB is equal to 5 microamps constant. Once you put the constant, don't disturb that one. Next, what we'll do? VC values are changes. 1 volt, 2 volts, 3 volts, 4 volts. According to that readings, you will know down the emitter current. That is called the output characteristics. Okay. The output characteristic common collector circuit are obtained between the output voltage VEC and output current IE at constant input current IB. In the operation of common collector circuit, if the base current is 0, then the emitter current also becomes 0 because the emitter follows the base. That is what is called the emitter follower circuit. Collector configuration is also called the emitter follower circuits. Why? Because the bases follow the emitter. So in this operation, common collector circuit, if the base current is 0, then the emitter current also becomes 0. As a result, no current flows through the transistor. To plot the graph, first we keep the IB at constant value and we will vary the VEC value for various points. Now we need to record the value of IE for each point. Repeat the same process for different IB values. Now using these values, we need to plot the graph between the parameters of IE and VC at constant values of IB. The below figure shows the output characteristics of common collector. Okay, in this characteristics, already I'm explaining ICB is constant, 100 milliamps, 0 milliamps, 20 milliamps. Put the 0 milliamps constant. After the VC value is varied, 1 volt, 2 volts, 3 volts, linearly will increase. According to these readings, you will note down the IE current in milliamps. Next to 20 milliamps, put constant. And VC value is varied, 1 volt, 2 volts. According to the readings, you will note down the emitter current. Next, 40 volts. Please put the constant 40 milliamps IB is equal to 60 milliamps IB. Put the constant 60 milliamps. After that, vary the VC value 1 volt to 2 volts, 3 volts, 4 linearly. According to that readings, you will note down the emitter current. Okay, so here ICO means leakage current of the collector current. Okay, leakage of the collector current. So here, one thing, common collector is common for the input and output circuits. Next one, few important features of this configurations are, it provides very high input impedance and low output impedance. It provides high current gain and low voltage gain. It provides zero phase shift. Input and output waveforms are identical in nature. Okay, so these are the few important features of this configuration. So here finally, what is the common collector configuration? Common collector. Collector is common for the input and output circuit. That's why it is called the common collector configuration. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.